How to create a straight guideline in different methods. To configure the straight guideline settings, click Guideline and then select the straight line icon. Type the name of the straight guideline. Next, choose one of the three creation modes: driving tractor, manual coordinate input, or auto guideline in boundary. Click Confirm to go to the next step. Method 1. Driving tractor. If your field is not a regular shape, you can customize the straight guideline direction by driving the tractor. When you move the tractor to the appropriate start point of the guideline, click the A icon to set point A. There will be information of the AB line length means the distance between the current vehicle location and point A. Once you set point A, the icon changes to B. After the vehicle is more than 10 meters from point A, the B icon will light up. You can then click the B icon at an appropriate endpoint to finalize the creation of the straight guideline. Method 2. Manual input coordinate. When you already know the coordinates for both start and end points, it's easier to create a straight guideline. After selecting this creation mode, enter the coordinates of points A and B to generate a straight guideline. Method 3. Auto guideline in boundary. This method helps you plan straight guidelines using the fewest possible turns. Before you start, make sure you have created a field boundary in the software. If you need help with this step, please check out our earlier tutorial. After selecting the auto guideline in boundary creation mode, the system will automatically generate a straight guideline along the boundary's longest edge. After you've created the straight guideline according to your needs, you can use ComNav Auto Steer system for effortless farming.